So here's the deal. You may see the last portion of a video here where I had 2 hours to hunt, and then we went bottle digging. The bottle digging turned out really good, by the way. You may have seen that video already. But I'm probably going to attach this video, if I find anything, to that video. So anyway, so just a kind of a disclaimer, it's 2 videos in one, if that's what you get. So today, obviously I'm wearing a poncho. We got tornado watches. The county on the other side of the river has tornado warnings. Lamar and I have about 2 hours to hunt before it gets across the river, so we're going to try and make the best of it. So we will see you on the first hole. Alright, so looks like a 22-23 signal right there. It's not very deep at all. So my hopes aren't up that high on it. I mean, it's typically a wheat signal, but it's not deep. I don't know. Let's find out. Right there. Got us a little race car. Is it a Tootsie? Is it a Tootsie toy? I think it might. So you gotta be careful, them wheels coming off already. So I think this might be a Tootsie toy, just because of, you see how the wheels, just the shape of those wheels, a little bit of iron on the outside of the tires, that might be a Tootsie toy. And usually there's no frame on the bottom of it. I don't want to dig this out too much because these are really fragile, or at least they can be. So we're going to be a little bit careful with this. We're going to put it away, we'll clean it up, and I'll show you a picture of it. These are great things to find. I love finding these. Alright, on to the next. Already hearing the thunder. I don't see any lightning yet. But gotta stop for a minute. 23, 24, 25, jumps up to 26. It's probably got pretty good depth on the meter. So it could be a wheat penny. Keep in mind the ground is wet because it rained all day yesterday. So the signals are going to be a little bit better. So normally my wheat penny signal is running up around a 22 in dry dirt, and they've been ringing up higher, more like copper pennies like they should in this wet dirt. I say more like they should. That's just a reference to other machines I've used. Alright, so it's right there. Somewhere. Right there. Yeah, I got it. Oh, there it is. It's a coin. Well, let me take my glove off. Find out what it is. And it's a memorial. Alright, moving on. Alright, just saw lightning. And it's coming down really good. But I got such a great signal right here. Somewhere. Right there. 23, 24, 25, jumps up to 26. A lot of rocks. It's like they repaved this right here. here. Oh, ho, 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 ho. I see shiny. Oh, and I see lightning. Oh, guys, check that out. That's a ring. That's a ring. I'm gonna have to find shelter here in a minute. It's a lot of lightning out here. Got us a ring. Wow. That's got to be silver the way it was ringing up. Yeah, that's silver. That is silver. Man, it's pouring. But we got silver. We got silver in the rain. Yes. Man, there's got to be a mark in there somewhere. I don't know what those little lines are on it. I don't know if you can see it. You see those little lines and stuff? I'm looking for a puddle I can wash it off in, but we'll just use the... I just don't like the lightning. Just don't like the lightning. Alright, I see writing in there. I can't make it out. I'm gonna have to take some shelter for a minute, guys, because this lightning's really close. But I'll see you on the next one. We should still have another hour break or so in between this storm. So right over there on the other side of that building is where I find that ring. I decided I was going to walk this hill here just because I had so much luck on the other hill. So came over here, I dug about 4 or 5 memorial pennies. I thought this was going to be a memorial too, just because the way it's ringing up. And I remembered that the rain changes the signals a little bit over here. As you can see right there, it's a wheat penny. I already cleaned it off. Just wanted you guys to know this is the start, and we might be into a little bit of an older area. Might be able to pull some silver or something here. That'd be nice. But if not, I'm grateful for this wheat penny. I've already looked it up. It's, I think it's 1945. But anyway, let's keep going. See if we can find something else. So I'm trying to get this camera out in between little rain showers. Obviously it's still coming down, but the big one's not here yet, so we're going to keep going. What I got here is 2 holes. This one here is a 22-23. This one here rang out 21 to 28. That one's still in the hole. This one's out in the plug, so I don't know what I have in either one. I haven't checked it out, but let's look together. This one? Yep. Can lid. With the pull tab still attached. Hey, what do you know? Anyway. Alright, let's cover this up and let's go see what's in the other one. This one's deeper. Let's see if we can't just get it out without the shovel. No, it's still in there. I think I found it. Yep. Another piece of junk. Alright, let's keep going. Let's toss this away, cover up the hole, and on we go. Alright, so I don't know if you can hear this or not, but when I go across the pinpoint here, there's obviously a signal right there. A break in tone right there, and another one right there. This here is iron, but this is something completely different. It's ringing up really nicely. So anyway, that's kind of jumps up, maybe like a clad dime signal. being that it's 26, it's out of that 25 range, which is that, you know, the penny signal that we keep getting. Get everything off that shovel. Alright, let's see where it's at. Alright, I think it's going to be in the plug. Somewhere. Break it open a little bit. Yeah. It's in here. I think I see it. Yeah, there it is. Yep, clad dime signal. Ha! That's what it is, clad dime. Alright, moving on. Alright, so I didn't find anything over there where I was searching with that ring, or sorry, with the wheat penny. And that came over here back where I found the ring. Walked up here and dug this signal. It's kind of all over the place, so I wasn't really sure about it being so close to the building. But flip the plug open and you can see it right here. Check it out. Looks like a pink Tootsie car. Got another Tootsie toy. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. You can tell by the wheels and the iron axles. But like I said, they're really fragile, so I don't want to mess with it too much. Alright, so here comes the big storm. So we're going to wrap it up real quick and call it a hunt. So we had a good time. Some of the junk. It was only a couple hour hunt. Lamar's got a, looks like a nickel, a dime, and then this beautiful silver 1942 Washington silver. Awesome. It says it came up 90 on the AT Max. And then I got these two Tootsie toys here, a wheat penny, and then this ring. I thought was silver. I'm not really sure. It actually kind of looks 18 karat plated. So it looks like it's got some words in there too. So we'll have to make those out and I'll show that to you. Also got a couple dimes and a couple pennies. But anyway, it was a fun hunt. Glad we got to come out before it rains. And now the storm's coming, so it's time to go. The real storm. Alright, see you next time. Like and subscribe.